Hey everyone! In this new video, we're going to create a virtual RAM using our hard drive. Let's face it, not everyone has the budget to buy physical RAM, which can be pretty expensive. So you can actually use your hard drive space instead. For example, if you have 7 gigabytes, you can double it to get 14 gigabytes of usable memory, which is more than enough. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. First, let's check the swap space currently assigned by the system. As you can see, I have 2 systems. Well, one swap space is dedicated to my Linux setup, specifically Kali Linux. Since my physical RAM sometimes causes slowdowns, I need to boost my computer's performance by allocating extra RAM from my hard drive. You can also do this with a USB flash drive, but I strongly recommend using your internal hard drive. First, because a USB drive can get unplugged or lost, and second, because your hard drive is always connected. Every time you turn on your PC, your virtual RAM is automatically loaded without you needing to mess around in the terminal every single time. It's totally seamless. Now, let's look at how to check your available swap space and how much RAM is currently being used by your machine. I'm going to allocate another 7 gigabytes to my system so I can handle heavier tasks. By the way, I'll drop a link in the description for anyone interested in upgrading to physical RAM. While virtual RAM is great, physical RAM is definitely better because it's hardware-based and directly connected to your motherboard, giving you a massive speed and performance boost. You can find all kinds of brands, like Crucial, through the AliExpress link below. Speaking of links, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. It really helps the channel grow. Now, since Kali Linux handles things a bit differently than other operating systems, we need to create a specific file that will act as our swap file. Let's run the command to create it. There we go. The system has successfully created the swap file. Next, we activate it so the system takes it into account. This way, every time you boot up your PC, your virtual RAM is already active without needing any extra configuration. Let's check the final result. Awesome, it works. Thanks to everyone for watching and staying loyal to the channel.